Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I made my candle labels using Canva.com and my laser printer at home. So the first thing you want to do is head to Canva.com and we're going to search for templates. So we're going to search for a candle label template. So you just want to go through the images and just select the one that would work best for your label. So I'm just going to go with that first one, and then I'm going to delete all that I don't need. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my first PNG image, and I chose this Bath and Body Hurts that I found online. My mom is turning 60. Also, she loves Bath and Body Works, so I thought this would be really appropriate. I'm just going to resize that in the middle of the template, and then I'm going to move into the wording for the label. I'm not 100% of what I wanted to say, something like happy birthday or happy 60th birthday or something to that effect. So I'm going to be playing around with the wording a little bit just to make sure it fits in what I want. The next thing I'm going to do is just work on the additional images. And again, these are all PNG images. I find that those are the best quality. So I'll be playing around with the images just to select which one's appropriate. The next thing I'm going to do is choose a header for the fragrance. And then I'm going to tweak the font a little bit and grab a few more images because I'm not sure, once again, which one looks the best. But I've narrowed down the fragrance name, and then now it's just a matter of reworking those images just to make it a really balanced design, and then just make sure everything kind of fits and flows well together. That heart really looks nice, so I think that's the one I'm going to stick with. It kind of matches the image in the middle as well. I'm going to add in her date of birth, and at the end I did switch around things a little bit, but so far this one is really good. I'm just going to save that, but I did go back in the end and just change around some of the wording and things on the design itself. But you would just save it as a PNG image again, and then just download that to your device. Next, I'm going to move into the printing. So I got some 2.5 by 4 inches glossy white paper from Avery. So I'm going to head to avery.ca or avery.com, depending on where you are. And then once I'm on the website, I'm going to go to the templates section. And then once I'm in the template, you're going to, with your paper that comes, there's going to be a number on there. So once you go to templates, you want to type in that number that's on your package, because that number will give you the exact size of the sticker or the label paper that you have. Next, we're going to hit on start designing, but since I already have my project already designed, I'm just going to hit on the blank box, and then I'm going to go to my camera roll and then select the image that was already done, and then we're just going to resize that. You want to stay within the gray box. For that perforated edge, you'll get that message pop up, because as long as you're within the gray box, you should be perfectly fine. So once I have it all there, I'm just going to select on project, and then I'm not going to save the image. I'm just going to hit print, and then once I select print, from there I will be able to just select my printer. Next, you want to load your glossy paper with the glossy side facing upwards in the printer, and then you just select print and watch your design print. And there you have it, your own custom candle label from the comfort of your own home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye! Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, your money too.